This is Volvo Masters, the best of the best, a tough competition.
If we look at the worldwide Masters competition and the engagement, it has been absolutely fantastic.
To see the engagement in each of them, they working as a team, the emotions there, we are proud of them, and I think they are also proud of themselves.
I mean, you feel it as soon as you walk in. You know, the guys, I was fortunate, I went to the dinner last night, a really good camaraderie and good discussions amongst the groups, but then it flips into concentration when they come through the gates.
Masters for me, it's a big challenge.
It's a challenge.
It's a really challenge.
When you need to fix a problem, it is satisfying to solve it.
The service technicians is our face towards the customer. They are the ambassador for the brand, so they are extremely important to fix the machines, but also to meet the customers and understand the customer needs.
If you're thinking about entering Volvo Masters, you should just do it regardless. If you don't think you're good enough, you learn so much just doing the tests, and you get to travel the world, you get to meet new people. I would recommend it to everybody.